Hello, welcome to Solving Watercolour. My name's Andy and today we're going to look at how we can take our paintings of trees to the next level with a combination of colour, textures and use of the right brushes. When painting anything, I find it really helps if you use the right brush for the job. So what is the right brush for the job? Well, I can only tell you what works for me. There are only really two things to consider about brushes, and that's size and shape. Just about every book on watercolour will tell you that round brushes are very versatile brushes that you can do anything with. And while that's true, I tend to think of it as a jack of all trades brush. You can do most things with one, it just doesn't do anything particularly well. I'm always trying to find the brush that makes the best stroke in the most efficient way. So in this tree painting demo, you'll see me switching between flat brushes of different thicknesses for the main tree trunk shapes, and Chinese calligraphy brushes and riggers for the thin branches. I'm dipping my brush in a mixture of permanent alizarin crimson, ultramarine blue and Payne's grey. I've created a variegated wash of colour by dropping in some burnt umber and burnt sienna with my calligraphy brush. And I'm just letting that mix together, doing as little brushing as possible. Now I'm just going to use my calligraphy brush and pull out a few branches here and there. Let's put another tree in now, a thinner one this time. So I'll use a thinner flat brush this time. I'm going to drop in some darker shadow colours on both trees before they dry too much. Here I'm adding a bit of texture just by lifting out some colour with a tissue. Now I'm just going to keep adding more trees. I'm going to vary the spacing and thickness of them to keep it looking natural. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, why not like this video and subscribe to the channel. My website, solvingwatercolour.com, is linked in the description below, and I have a ton of free tutorials there, a free course, Learn How to Paint Watercolour in 7 Days, and if you want to go more in depth and learn a whole lot more about this beautiful art form, I have some paid courses too. So I'm just going to keep going now. Let's take a rigger and add some shadows to the side of this tree. Another thing we can do to create texture is sprinkle a bit of salt on. Timing is important when using salt because if the paint is too wet, then the effect just won't work. And then I'm just going to add some little branches here and there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.